Have you tried crypto trading before, only to lose money and feel completely frustrated? If so, this video might save you months of pain. KuCoin copy trading can help you stop losing money, but only if you set it up correctly. See, most people fail with copy trading not because the tool is bad, but because they mess up the very first steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how KuCoin copy trading works, how to avoid the biggest beginner mistakes, and how to get a 35% trading fee cashback plus an insane $11,000 welcome bonus using my special code Cashback50. So, who is this video for? It's for beginners in crypto, for people who have already lost money trading on their own, and for anyone who's just too busy to stare at charts all day. If you want a more hands-off way to get into crypto trading without letting your emotions get the best of you, then keep watching. Let me be crystal clear from the start. Copy trading is not a magic button that will make you rich overnight. It's a tool to help you stop losing money first. When you stop losing, you protect your capital. And when your capital is safe, you finally give yourself a real chance to grow it. So what is KuCoin copy trading? It has a feature that lets you automatically copy the exact trades of experienced traders right into your own account. When a pro trader opens or closes a position, the same action is executed in your account, based on the settings you choose. You don't need to analyze charts, you don't need to follow complicated signals, and you definitely don't need to be glued to your screen all day. Once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. Now, why do most people fail with copy trading? They think it's easy money, so they rush in and copy the first trader they see with the highest short-term profit. They completely ignore risk, they don't look at the drawdown, and they don't control their position size. Then when that trader hits a losing streak, which always happens, their account gets destroyed. Copy trading doesn't remove risk. It removes emotional mistakes, but only if you manage it properly. And why choose KuCoin for this? KuCoin is one of the best platforms for copy trading because it gives you transparent data on every single trader. You can see their return on investment, their full performance history, their maximum drawdown, how often they trade, and how many people are following them. KuCoin also offers flexible copy modes and powerful risk management tools that let you control exactly how much you risk per trade. This makes it so much safer than just blindly following signals in some random private group. So how does it actually work? After you log into KuCoin, you go to the copy trading section and you can browse a huge list of lead traders. Each trader has a public profile with all their stats that you can analyze before you decide to follow them. Once you pick a trader, you decide how much money you want to allocate to them and how their trades will be copied. From that moment on, KuCoin automatically mirrors their actions in your account. But before you copy your first trader, you need the right mindset. This is super important. You are not looking for the trader with the highest profit. You are looking for consistency, risk control, and survival. The goal isn't to double your account in a week. The goal is to stay in the game long enough for the power of compounding to work its magic. Coming up next in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to set up KuCoin copy trading the correct way. I'll give you a simple checklist for picking the right trader and show you exactly how to avoid the mistakes that cause most accounts to blow up. I'll also walk you through activating my referral code Cashback50 to get that 35% fee cashback on both futures and spot trading, plus a welcome bonus of up to $11,000. Make sure you use the registration link in the description so you don't miss out on these benefits. Alright, let's get into it. Let me walk you through setting up KuCoin copy trading the right way. First, log into your KuCoin account and go to the copy trading section. Next, you'll see the list of lead traders. Don't rush this step. This is where most beginners make their most expensive mistakes. When you click Follow on a trader, KuCoin will ask you to choose a copy mode. If you are new to this, I strongly recommend using the fixed amount mode. This means that for every trade the lead trader makes, you will enter with a fixed amount of money that you decide, like $10 or $20, instead of copying their full position size relative to their account. Fixed amount mode is your best friend for controlling risk, and it prevents your account from being wiped out by one bad trade. Seriously, this one setting alone can save your entire account. Now, how much capital should you allocate? Never, ever allocate your entire balance to one trader. Start with a small portion of your trading capital, even if the trader looks incredibly profitable. Copy trading is about long-term consistency, not short-term excitement. By starting small, you reduce the emotional pressure and give yourself time to evaluate the trader's performance objectively without freaking out. So how do you pick a good lead trader? A good trader is not the one with the highest daily profit. Look for traders with a steady, consistent performance over a longer period, like 90 days or more. Pay very close attention to their maximum drawdown. A lower drawdown means they are better at managing risk. Check how often they trade. Is their strategy disciplined or does it look completely random? And a huge red flag is a trader who uses extremely high leverage or has a chart that shows massive spikes in profit followed by equally sharp drops. Avoid them. Let's talk about the common mistakes you absolutely must avoid. Don't chase traders after they've had a huge winning streak. Don't switch traders every few days hoping to catch the next hot hand. And definitely don't increase your copy amount just because you saw a few days of profit. This kind of behavior turns copy trading into gambling. The moment you start acting on emotion, you lose the entire advantage of copy trading in the first place. This brings us to risk management and expectations. Even the best traders in the world have losing periods. It's a normal part of trading. Your job is not to panic, but to monitor their performance calmly. Set clear limits for yourself before you start. For example, if a trader's drawdown exceeds a certain percentage that you're comfortable with, you unfollow them and reassess. Copy trading works best when you treat it like a system, not a lottery ticket. So what are some realistic results? With a proper setup and a disciplined approach, copy trading can generate steady returns over time. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it can help you grow your account while protecting your capital. This is especially powerful for people who simply don't have the time to trade manually every day. And don't forget about the KuCoin referral bonus and cashback. So my final advice before you start is this: don't overthink copy trading, but don't underestimate it either. Take your time to choose the right trader, be disciplined in managing your risk, and stay consistent. If you do this correctly, copy trading can become a reliable and powerful part of your overall crypto strategy instead of just another painful lesson. If you found this video helpful, please use the registration link in the description to sign up for KuCoin with the referral code Cashback50 to unlock your fee, cashback and welcome bonus. Subscribe to the channel for more copy trading strategies and updates. And finally, comment copy down below if you want me to send you my personal checklist for selecting safe and consistent lead traders. Thanks for watching.